Notes on the Old Testament according to the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Ruth. 1. Situations may necessitate moving away from home and justify name changes. Don't prevent just marriages. There's a Toadies song named Ruth, and I halfway feel like it could refer to bringing this story into a Christian context. Ruth 2, prove your ability to do some work among stranger and familiar family. Ruth 3, even the marriage as a favor requires dowry. Ruth 4, bless those who are being married and focus on quality over quantity. Because a lot of people want a bunch of kids and all that other stuff and just focus on doing really well with one kid, and that one kid could be more of a merit to you than 10 kids. And yeah, there was Toadie's song, running away, so maybe the moving away part. And Jesus, well, Christianity really isn't supported at all in the Old Testament, but